What's up, Sweat Hearts? Welcome to tutorial 4. I'm on a roll by Stefano. This is a brand new dance party warm-up to get us nice and loose and ready for a full dance party. Let's get started. Intro is 2 8 counts of clapping, nice and easy. Then we get started with a nice wide position, and we have these little reaches for 6. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the arms are reaching the 6, but on those 4, you can do whatever you want with the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's up to you. So let's see that first part facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, we just did 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part, we're going to walk to the right. 1, 2, 3, jump and hit forward. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 2 more times. Facing the front. We did 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now remember, only jump once you start getting warm. You keep this on the floor at first. As the song progresses, you can progress. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Now it's time for the chorus. We're going to take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce side, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the arms are right here rolling. I'm on a roll. We walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Free arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. We can get a little booty there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. We just did our last set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes chorus on a roll. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. The next section is a triples. It starts with a knee. It comes knee up, twist, twist, knee up, twist, twist. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This goes for 8 counts. We're just going to keep going side to side for triple threes. Arms are opposition. So as that right leg comes up, the left arm goes up, front, front, up, front, front. And you can groove with this ta, 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 ta. Facing the front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Keeps repeating till we get to our 4 8 counts. 1, the magic number is 11. Now don't worry about that number. Just listen to the music. You'll know when to finish that. All right, we just went through 2 times from the top. We started with those reaches. That 4 count. We'll walk side to side with the punches. And then we have that chorus. Front, booty, back, front, back. On the 4th one, remember, we go around. Then we have those knee ups with the party arms, triples, right here. Now the second time through, we're going to go into something a little bit different. We have this little arm pull. It goes pull, pull, double pull. Pull, pull, double pull. It's super fast. You want to keep the feet nice and small. Ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, pa, pa, pa. 1, 2, pa, pa, pa. 8 times of those. And then we're going to take it backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 counts to face the other way. 5, 6, freestyle there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back into those walks, side, with the punches. So we're going to review everything for this warm-up from the second time from the top, facing the front. We go with those reaches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk. 1, 2, 3. Jump, tap, tap, tap. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 4 times. Right, left, right, left. Chorus up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Booty, booty. Back, roll it. 2, 3, 4. Optional arms, whatever you like. 1, 2, roll it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, 2, 3, around. 5, 6, 7. Knee triples. Right, 2, 3. Arm up. Opposition. Ha, ta, 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 ta. Ha, ha, ha. 4 8 counts. And then on the second time turn, we have those pulls. Pull, pull, double pull, tap, tap, double pull. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3. Freestyle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Freestyle. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk. 1, 2, 3. Jump. 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 Last time, chorus up. Rolling with the booty. Rolling back with the booty. Rolling up with the booty. Rolling back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knee triples. 4 8 counts of the triples. And we end walking right, left, with those punches. That's your warm up. Let's dance it.